Welcome back to the channel, my people. So happy to have you here, really. I hope you had a really nice weekend. Still a ton of boulevards here. Mustang, Escort. That's the Mustang. Wow, so many Mustangs and Escorts. I thought the Escort would be a little bit more popular. Wow, we got a lot of NASCAR fans. A lot of them sold. I mean, there's still quite a few here, but I had at least 3 cases out, so that's a lot. You know, that was sold. A lot was sold. A lot. I'd say almost half of them. That's crazy. Ooh, that Skyline is nice. I really like the 124s that we got. I'm going to use them for like the displays on, you know, when I go live and different things and show and tell and whatnot. We'll put it next to the Superbird. There is a Honda Civic Custom here. I found it back in the pegs more, but I want to leave it. Actually, you guys said don't do that, which I don't normally do. But you're right, let's put it right back here. That way somebody will be like, wow, there's the Honda Civic Custom. I was looking everywhere and I finally got it. So interesting to see the Estique here and the Tesla and the Caddy. So the reason I say that is because the Honda sets showed up with these sets as well. I almost wonder if they had some more Hondas like that store from the last video. We were supposed to do a Whatnot stream on Saturday. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. Not a big deal. We'll reschedule the live show for sometime during the week here. I know it's Monday, but in the next few days, Tuesday, maybe Wednesday again afternoon, we'll do the show. I still have everything set aside, ready to go. I just have to relist it all and redo the whole thing. And I don't know what the problem was, but I know it wasn't on my end. Anyway, let's keep it moving. There are some clips. I made the mistake of doing the whole pressing record and putting the phone in my pocket and then taking it out, pressing record, ending the pocket clip, thinking I'm starting a new clip, and I wasn't, so it's my fault. Check this out. Found an M2 Machines chase. What did I? So I walk up and I'm like, wow, this is so cool. Look at the new haulers. They've got this, they've got that. The Skyline, the Coke Skyline, I want the main. Oh, wow, there's a chase. No way. And it still has the sticker. Yes. I'm like, this is amazing. But it's cracked in half. It's so bad. I said, look, can you discount it? $5, $10. I'll open it. I'll just use it as an opener. They said, no, we cannot. We have to return it for full store credit. And here is the GTR Skyline. There was 2 of them. They were both destroyed. The box is cracked. You could see the car's missing parts. Oof. So yeah, there you go. Cool, man. You guys were saying I wouldn't leave a 124 chase. Well, guess what? I'm leaving it. All right, cool. We got new auto drivers. 1970 Dodge Super Bee 440 on the pegs. Same thing. And what is that? A Bel Air, Edelbrock. Very nice. Very nice. For auto drivers, $5. And then there's a new, what is that? A Mustang? Boss? Yeah. And then, of course, the same model kits we've already seen. What a shame about the hauler, really. I handed it back to them because honestly, it's so dangerous. If someone goes to grab it and they get cut, it's just not worth it. I would love to get the GTR, but the lights are missing off of here. They're shaking around. Yeah, right there. And everything came out of that one, so whatever. Rattling around in the box. It's just not cool. The thing is cracked. Look, there's crack. So anyway, yeah, I really did want the Skyline hauler, even if it was just the main. But the box is destroyed and the hood fell off. It's all cracked. There's screws rattling around. It was a terrible box. You saw from the condition of the chase, which was the worst one, literally cracked in half. So, kind of a shame. I was looking forward to finding that Skyline hauler, but not a big deal. I'm sure we'll see more. That was the first time. The chase was nice. I would have actually really liked having that chase, especially since they're the last ones coming with the stickers. I would have opened it. I would have put the sticker right on the side of the white truck. It would have been really nice, and then just had it out on display, whatever. For $5 or $10, it's totally worth it as an opener, but they wouldn't do it. They said they needed full credit for the fact that it was damaged, even though they probably damaged it. But it's all good. It's all good, man. Things happen. You guys said I wouldn't leave a 124 hauler. Well, I left a 124 hauler. Obviously, it was damaged, so it doesn't really count. But it had the chase sticker. I would not have left that one. The ones without the chase sticker, I'm still undecided. But with the chase sticker, definitely wouldn't have left that one. I was very disappointed. It kind of broke my heart a little bit. My heart got broke a little bit. Let's go check another store and see what's going on. All right, checking another Walmart now. I'm really only looking for the box sets. I know we got lucky finding that one box of the 2 sets, which is cool. I am going to give one to my buddy Works Diecast because if he doesn't find it, obviously, so I can't do anything with either of them until I know for sure that he's got it. Because I did tell him that, it's his. But I'm checking another store now. I don't see much. I'm not sure what's going on, man. It is holiday. Oh, we got some 124 ding dong vans, and they have the chase thing. I bet they don't indicate if it's a chase. It's the new Hostess ding dong vehicle delivery van. However, these are both clearly the same from what I can see. I'm sure the bumper would be different. It's probably so different that you don't even need the chase sticker anymore. That's what I've seen from the ones I've, looked up that don't have a sticker anymore. You can really tell that it's a chase. Wow, all the Daytonas, Daytona's there. So most of the Daytonas and all of the Camaros are gone. That's cool. Good to see. Come on now. Bye, people. I'm still super curious where the Walmart M2 ornaments are. We are supposed to see them. I know some of you already have. Like the O'Reilly ornaments, however, it's a 2-pack. So maybe they'll be after the holiday. I don't know. It's almost here. Christmas is almost here. Most people already have their trees up. But no, let's just not distribute the M2 machine Christmas ornament thing. Anyway. So I can't tell if they got more of these cars because there's the blue C8, there's just that truck. I almost think maybe it was just a return, right? Because the Dart was there, the Johnny Lightning car for sure was there, that spy thingy. Yeah, I'm guessing those were returns. And the C8's so nice that I guarantee the back opens up to show the motor. I'd love to crack one. I would. 550, should we do it? Show and tell, cracking an Auto World. We've never opened one. I don't even think we've opened a Johnny Lightning, honestly. You know what? Maybe it's time. Should we crack 2? Get the truck also? No, I'm just kidding. We'll just do the C8. Oh, the Dart. Dude, you know what? Dude, yes. All right, we're cracking a Dart. Come on, this is ridiculous. These things have been here forever. Let's have some fun. Which one looks better? I think that second one looks... We're opening it anyway. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Yeah. No, I'm going to go with the second one. I think it looks better. I don't know why. Just the paint and stuff. And the hood opens, it looks like. All right. So a C8 and the Dart, dude. I'm doing it. Poor Dart being left here all alone all this time, man. Come on now. Somebody left the Bronco, the 66 Ford bootlegger Bronco. So crazy. I'm looking down there. Dodge Gasser. Yeah, I'm sure it's all the same. Gasser this, Gasser that. Pink Crestliner. Pink Willies. Yeah, of course. Yeah, cool, man. We're going to open some stuff. Let's open Auto Worlds. Never opened one before. I'm down to have a loose Auto World. Why not? Wow, no way, dude. I was just looking at these model kits. My favorite car. Oh, it's a Camaro. I thought it was a Plymouth. Oh, whatever. All right, so we got another Chase. Great. We missed one because it was crushed. But what do you know? Bada bing, my people. So crazy. We got the Chase after not getting the Chase. So cool. I'm so glad to see that it has the gold posts. I was thinking, oh no, it's just the same on all of them. No, we have gold posts. We have a Chase lift. Not just the car, not just the wheels, because the bumper and stuff, but the lift itself is a Chase lift. So awesome. All right, let's check out the 124s after getting those awesome Ross finds. I hope you saw the video. We got amazing Skylines. HKS Camaro. It is cool. I mean, if it was like a R34 like that with the red and the, okay. Oh, check it out. There's our Daytona. We own you. We own you, sir. Yes. No, that's really cool. It's gonna look awesome next to the Datsuns, right? I'm sure everything's in scale. It's gonna be so cool seeing the bird next to the, well, Daytona, right? Yeah, Daytona. Seeing the Daytona next to the two Skylines that we got. Which one is a race car? So one is like a street car. I got my street car, so I can just cruise on the streets, cars and coffee, car meets, that kind of stuff. And then when we hit the track, we got the race car with the chrome wheels. Well, I'm so bummed, guys. That would have been our last M2 Chase with a sticker, at least for the haulers. The Willies would have gotten it. Come on, the Coke, the white, the red, the wheels. It was awesome. I am a little disappointed, but whatever. We got a consolation prize with the Camaro and the gold lift, so that's better than nothing. All right, my people, we're getting desperate here. I was checking the Hot Wheels skate. There's a whole dump in here. The only treasure hunt we have not seen is the Wreckin' merch, and I have been looking just to see it forever. This one is not that bad. I'm buying it. I'm gonna buy it because I've been trying to find the Wreckin' merch forever and ever, and there it is. Treasure hunt right there. All right, we do have a partial MMX case. I don't know what the deal is. It just showed up like this. So I guess somebody maybe looked through it. I'm not sure. It's upside down. The cars don't seem to be out of order as far as what I can see. If anything cool happens, I will let you know. And now for everyone's favorite part of the Florida Man videos, it's show and tell. You thought I forgot. Yeah, I know. You thought I forgot. I did stop by the warehouse and I grabbed this Netgear Nighthawk Extreme router. It was like $300 million, and I'm going to hardwire it to the network and put it right in the room that we're live streaming from on Whatnot, so we will never have an issue again, because this thing is like the best router Wi-Fi thing you can buy. I'm not going to use the routing functions. I'm going to just use the access point for the Wi-Fi, and we will have amazing signal, even though the room already does have amazing signal. Now there will be no questions. I said we would crack it, and we should. Look at this poor guy. He's been sitting on that shelf this whole time. Can we do a one-handed Auto World pull? Oh, we can. Here we go. First time ever touching an Auto World. Ooh, it tricked me. There's more plastic. You tricked me. There it is. Ooh, wow. That's nice. All right, cool. So let's check it out. The tires are, oh, live axles. I've heard of that. People have said that the axles are connected to both sides, and they are. Wow, posi. We got posi in the front, posi in the back. How does it roll? People say they roll awful. Yeah, it's not great. I mean, it's probably got flat spots in the tires, I'd imagine. Oh, and plus things are like, the wheels all wobbly. See that? See, like wobbles back. Turning, it's turning. Turn right, turn left, turn right, turn left, over and over. Oh yeah, the motor. Okay. Oh, the blue. What was the blue motor? I thought they were orange. What's the blue one? Are there blue elephants? Who knows? Leave it in the comments. That might be the 440. Sure looks big though. Something else is in there. Is that the battery? They like painted the battery or something in the back right there near over here. Whoops. Oh, we got scoops. We got Ram Air scoops right there on the hood. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Special. She's special, it says right there. Special. So special. Wow, it's nice. We cracked it. I'm glad. I'm glad. We got you freed. We got you out of that store and into the Florida Man's collection. Oh, should we do it? Should we do it? Okay. Let's do it. Ooh, this one's a little harder. Oh no, we will. Oh yeah, we will. One-handed pull. Here we go. And yep, more plastic. Tricking me. You tricked me with this plastic. All right, here we go. Here we go. I got it. I got it out. Okay. Wow. Very cool. Very nice. Love the color. See, we've shown this before in the South Florida sun, but I have a light up right now so we could see it. And live axle. Oh, live axle, but tires are rubbing. Wow, they're a little bit bigger in the back, which they should be. Well, it's a little choppy. It's a little choppy, but I don't know. I kind of like that they don't roll too good, because then as you set them up, like I said, when you bump the thing they're on, you don't want them moving, you know, too far back. Wow, that's nice. These are nice die casts. They really are. Metal base. Ooh, look at the rivets. Wow, those are serious. Serious rivets in there. Oh, little tiny baby rivets on that one. That's funny. All right, come on, pop the hood. Oh, it's a Stingray. I didn't know that. Does it say that? No, it just says 20, but isn't that the Stingray emblem right there? I think it is. Can we open the trunk or the hood or the frunk or whatever? What do you call that? It's not a frunk. Frunks are in the front. That's the frunk. Why can't we open the frunk? See? They should have made that open too. Oh, almost had it. Almost had it. Remember that meme thing? All right, there we go. There it is. Oh, come on. There we go. We got it, finally. The LS, oh wait, LT, what are they, LT2s, LT3s? They're not LT1s, are they? They could be, I don't remember. But there you go, we got the nice intake. Wow, it's very accurate. That does look like the Corvette intake, that's for show. That is faux show. Oh, is that shock mounts and everything? All right. Oh, wow, look at that. Pretty cool, very cool die cast. First time we cracked an auto world here on the Florida Man channel, and I'm glad you were here with me to do it. And I'm gonna go set up this new router in the stream room so we never have a connection problem again. We will be doing our next show probably Wednesday afternoon. All right, all good. We did a little Walmart shopping and did a little hunting. Thank you so much for watching today's video. It was a little bit of a short one. The Florida Man's busy. We'll definitely do another What Not stream this week, so stay tuned, watch the posts. I will keep you informed. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you in the next one.